Look at this packaging. Oh my gosh. Already putting Kardashian closet to so much shame. Happy good morning and welcome to another used celebrity clothing haul. Christine Quinn, if you don't know, is the most fabulous, the most unrealistically gorgeous and luxurious human I have ever seen. And she's one of the stars of Selling Sunset on Netflix. If you haven't seen the show yet, that's your homework after you watch this video. I personally binged all 3 seasons when I was sick a few months ago. The series was meant to be a show about selling luxury real estate in LA. And I mean, it is. But it just, over the episodes, kind of transformed into what it actually is today. The show actually is a lot about their just personal lives. And I'm obsessed. I have a couple favorite people in it. Chriselle is one of them. She just seems like the sweetest human. She's absolutely beautiful. Did you guys see that her and Jason are together? My other favorite is, of course, Christine Quinn. And when I saw that she was going to be selling her used clothes, I knew I was in trouble. Like, buying the Kardashian stuff is fun, but like, some of their stuff is questionable. But Christine, I am genuinely obsessed with her style. If I can achieve even half the level of fabulous that she is, so she's had a few looks in the show that I knew if they were on the site, I was just done for. I had to have them. And a couple of them were. Did I get any deals? Was it worth it? Is any of it actually gonna fit me? We're about to find out. First of all, this packaging, like somebody literally did this by hand. And the tissue paper and the invoice, like this is the most professional thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
Oh my gosh, there's even a little picture of her in the bottom of the box. Dang it.
And the cool thing about her closet too is there is such a wide variety of prices. Like with Kardashian closet, I feel like the average item was like $2,000 and hers was more like $200. Like these shoes, 40 bucks. I did also get some designer items though. Oh, yep, here's the most expensive item. Okay, the first item that we got is from season 3, episode 2. It's a little hot pink dress. Very classy, very professional. This is the look that we're going to try to recreate. Ta-da! Oh, it's hot pink. She even made little tags. Wow. So this is from a brand called Bianca and Bridget, which I believe is a UK brand. This cost me $160. I went on the Bianca and Bridget website and it seems like most of their dresses are in the $300 range. I'm not super familiar with them. Is their stuff always on sale? Because all of it's on sale for like $120. Oh, it's only one shoulder? I have no idea how to put this on.
You were supposed to wear it like a halter hope. Oh, this was disastrous.
Well, we have a slight problem. I saw that this was a size 6, but a UK size 6 and a US size 6 are very different things. This is actually like a US size 2, which I have never in my whole life been. Yeah, she too curvy. Maybe I can make it work for a picture before I say goodbye to it though.
So we have the dress. The next step is to secure this jacket. I looked everywhere and could not find this exact one, so I took to Amazon to see what I could find there. I found one hot pink and one red cheap blazer, and when I say cheap, I mean super cheap. They had terrible reviews, and now I see why. With the help of Leo, I deconstructed these and meshed them together the best I could. It doesn't look good, but to be fair, it wasn't a very good looking jacket to begin with. I think these shoes are suede Louboutins, which range anywhere between $700 and $1,200, but I happen to have a similar looking pair from Nordstrom Rack. Bonus points if you remember what video these were from. This purse is a Louis Vuitton Ostrich bag, the 10-inch one I'm guessing, which prices it over $10,000. But don't worry, I found the $43 version. For accessories, I have my fake ponytail, some butterfly clips that I also found on Amazon. I'm obsessed with these. And some little stud earrings. Don't even get me started on this bracelet she's wearing. It looks like a custom version of this one, but we cheap around here. I don't even know where I got this. Oh my goodness, the look is done. Using our imagination to pretend this dress actually fits, of course. The colors came together so well though. We'll ignore how absolutely tragic the jacket is in every way other than the colors. Okay, let's go recreate this picture. Next dress. I don't think she actually wore this one on the show, but she has posted
in it on Instagram. It is a Macy woolen dress. This one was more expensive for sure. It was $378, which is a lot, but these dresses are going on resale sites for like $500, $600, $700. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, this one's made from stretchy fabric. That's more promising. Okay, it's on, but it is tight. I know I was kind of throwing shade at Kardashian Closet earlier, but I will say my body type is definitely more similar to the Kardashians. This dress barely wants to cover my butt. This is such a cute design. It looks very different on me, that's for sure. Leah, I'm tired already. The shoes that she wore with this dress, I actually have those. I'm like 99% sure they're these Bottega Veneta ones that I got from Kardashian Closet. Oh, and then these shoes. My mistake. Earlier I said the cheapest thing I got was $40. It's actually $35. Ooh, okay. Well, if nothing else from this video fits, these are a perfect fit. And they're so cute. They're just from Guess, but honestly, they look so luxurious. It was a good use of $35. Next. Okay, this last item, I'm going to actually be upset if I can't get it to fit. It was $800. It was definitely more than that new though, because it's off-white. It was probably like $1,200 new.
Wow, the tag is still on it. And look how accurate I was.
This one, funny enough, is from the episode right before the pink and red outfit. Season 3, episode 1. It is. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. This is so cute. It's this little like pleated black and lime green skirt. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm putting it on right now. Oh my gosh, I got it on. Can you believe it? I can't. It's so short on the, I don't know if I have it on quite right though. I feel like it's so short on this side. I don't know if it's supposed to be. I love the lime green though. They actually make some jackets that would look so cool with this skirt, but I can't seem to find them anywhere. Okay, I'm glad we have a winner. Is it worth $800? No, but I love Christine and I love Off-White, so let's recreate this outfit.
Okay, this is a fun one. She wasn't selling the lime long sleeve top, but Amazon had me covered again with this one for $14.99. She was selling these glasses, but I didn't get to them on time, so you guessed it. These were only $9.99 anyway, and they're pretty darn similar. She has a little chain belt on, but I couldn't find one to match it exactly, so we're skipping that. Okay, this bag, funny enough, I have the knockoff version from a Fashion Nova video I did recently.
This was the second worst selling handbag, and I couldn't just not get it. Look at it. Oh, I love it. I feel like this design is copying someone though, like maybe Balenciaga.
So that worked out perfect. If I remember correctly, she wore lime green heels with this one, so I found these ones. So I found some for $37.99, but they're actually hideous, so we're skipping those as well. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this one. Wow. I'm so happy that this outfit worked out. Do I look like I'm ready to go sell a $10 million home? The skirt is everything. Well, there's not really any good pics to recreate in this one, so I'm just gonna go take my own.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that so you don't miss out on future videos. And Leo and I picked out some other videos down below that we thought you might enjoy, and we will see you guys over in the next video. Say bye, YouTube.